Hi there everyone, and how are we all? I know you can't answer that, but I'm hoping you're all well. Right, this is the Nunu Audi A4 British Touring Car Champion car, and we're going to build it for Model Works. And Model Works are a model shop in New Haven, and they sell a wide variety of kits and products. I get all my Mr. Hobby stuff there because he does the full Tamiya range, and he's looking to expand. But just in general, they're probably the best shop in the south, because there's nothing else around that caters for what they cater for. So moving on, this is the kit they supplied me, and we're now going to build it. The last video I'd done, I think we just had a look and opened up a couple of bags. I don't know, I can't remember now. It was a crap video because I was feeling crap. I was still feeling crap. I don't feel 100%. Yeah, I've had this, I don't know, what could only be described as some sort of horrid sick bug. I've got to have an injection in my hand here this week because of what they call trigger finger. Although I can do this now, this illness I've had made it so bad I couldn't even do that. I could only use these two fingers. The entire hand was locked open, but apparently it does happen. I've never heard of it before. I don't know how you get it or what causes it. I haven't got a clue. But yeah, it's a horrible thing to have. Not very nice at all, and yeah, it's bloody painful. And topped off with this bug, which has basically had me in and out of bed for the last 2 weeks, with a variety of aches and pains and stuff. I've just not been with it. I've been waiting for a few things to arrive. I've tried a couple of things out, and one of the things I tried out was on these wheels. These are the Audi wheels, so in order to get them up to their silver, you need to paint them black. Now this was what would they call this stuff? Mr. Surfacer. So this is this. Now this, when you get this, you get it. It's quite thick, so you can thin it down. Now the stuff I bought is just under the desk here. If I can reach it, I should be able to. It's quite a small can, but it has got a handle. I'll say it's a small can. So basically it's this. 2K slow thinner, Sprint line. It's basically the same as that. Only this was the only bottle I could get hold of for in the country. So I got it for emergencies. But this stuff I bought, my good friend Abel sent me a link, and he's not tried it himself. So Abel, hopefully in this video we'll get round to using it. I've actually put it in a little bottle, and I'll show you how it works. So basically this is that leveler, and I used it on these wheels, and my God, I was astonished at how smooth it's come out. It really has done a nice job. So I think it was about 20 quid, I think it was, something like that, including delivery. I can't remember now. It was weeks ago when it turned up and weeks ago when I bought it. But anyway, so that's that. So what we're going to do is, now I've got all the stuff, let's put this here for a minute. I haven't turned my airbrush on, so it's just too noisy. And as you can hear, it's lovely and quiet. Just listen to that. Amazing. No kids. The other thing I did get on with was the cockpit. Now, I've done a video. I haven't finished this yet. I've just got as far as this. This is to the Italieri 132 Tornado. So I'm just having a quick show here of it. anyway, that's it. So there's the first video on that, and then there's going to be another one. But this particular video is all about this. So we're going to turn the page, and what we're going to do is we're going to have a look at this. And so basically, when we look, the colour you're needing is 92, and the colour on here 92 is semi-gloss black, which really is, you can use that as semi-gloss black. I'll put that there anyway. So let's have a look in here. So we don't need oh, hang on, what's all this? So I start to prep things. So I've glued the rear bumper on there just to get things started. So that's that. So that's pretty much, that's it for that shell. We won't bother with them yet. And I had to go at doing the belly pan for the engine cover on the bottom, and as you can see, look how smooth that's come out as well, and the dash as well. So we're going to need this piece here. So that's, yeah, and then I'm going to need, where is the other bit? There it is. So I need this sprue here. Those two sprues are in more. Oh, right, maybe there. Anyway, we'll go with these for the time being. So we'll cut off. What was it? Where we going? Near this bit here, the gearboxes. So this is a mirror. God, damn, his stomach just constantly aches. Where I used to eat a full dinner, I don't eat a full dinner now. Just, you know. Another little thing I just want to give a little shout out. It was very sad news to hear that Nigel's dog Jess passed on. Nigel, if you do watch this, then our feelings go out to you, buddy. Stay strong. As soon as you get another dog, you'll start to find that you know, it will make life a little bit easier, keeping your mind on something else. I don't know whether you get dogs from puppies or whether you just, you know, get dogs, rescue dogs or something that are a few years old. But yeah, mate, very sad news. You know, but she's in the best place now. That's the main thing. Yeah, I think when the last dog I had, I don't know whether he's still alive. He got stolen. Somebody pinched him off the front of my door. I went out, told him to hang on, I'll be down in a tick. And I got down literally a few seconds after he legged it down the stairs. And he was gone. There was a white transit van that went you know, roaring up the road, and I got a feeling it was, you know, those type of people that took him. And I've never had another dog since. My wife's always liked cats, so we've now got cats, albeit the two girls have had kittens, and one of them's pregnant again, so she's about to give birth again at some point. So yeah, I got a house. Well, I haven't now. I did have a house full of kittens, but yeah, it's not a nice thing. No animal, or a loss of any animal or human is not a nice thing at all. So yeah, heart goes out to you, mate. Anyway, what am I doing here? I don't know whether I've got, is that all the bits? So this is the chassis, this is the pipe, that's the no, this is the rear end, that's the rear end, that's the piece that goes there, that's the piece, no, so I need that bit there. What bit's that? Is that C1? Which will be on here again, I presume, isn't it? No, that's B. Oh, here we go. Here it is. Here. Right. I don't know how long I've got to do this. We'll go, but I've got my eldest daughter who's going to be coming home in the next sort of half hour. So the noise will start, no doubt. She's always the first one to get home. She's not too bad, but I don't know what it is. They always seem to roll all the other ones up. And you think to yourself, God, why do you do it? Why do you do it? But, yeah. Kids. Right. Use a different pad on that. So all I'm doing here is cutting them off and then just sanding down the bits where they were attached to the sprues for the minute. Doesn't look like there's any major looking seam lines on there anyway. And then we got this one, so he was there. And this one's here. I don't know how many of my subscribers actually build cars. I mean, I normally build aeroplanes, but I don't know why. I've just had this mad spate of building cars over the last 6 months, I suppose, something like that. And I thought to myself, there's always this thing with cars, which is how well can you get a glossy shine on them. And I remember Jez Coleman bought a Pontiac Firebird, the Revel kit, the large one, and he had his mate spray it, but his mate's a car sprayer. So he used, I'm pretty sure he was saying he used the lacquer, the car lacquer paint they use in the car spray booth. Anyway, he got an absolute crystal clear shine on it, and it looked amazing. But I thought, well, that's obviously what it is. So with car builders, it's getting that mirror finish shine, and they don't all work out like that. I mean, crikey, mine doesn't. But yeah, as with aircraft, it's always the cockpit, isn't it? Everyone looks in the cockpit. How much detail has he got in there, and and has he done the burner cans, and so it seems to be the cockpit, jet cans, engine if it's got a propeller, engine if it's got a jet, I suppose, and the wheelbase. And if that's, if that passes, it's then the rest of it. But I've always stuck to aircraft. But it's good to have a bit of a change. It's good to have rather than just build the same old shit. Clear your mind. But I have difficulty because of my autism. Sometimes, like if it's like up here, I've got my F4E Phantom. It's painting, it's done. It's just a waiting decaling. But I find sometimes the deck, especially on planes that have got tons of stencils, it can be a bit laborious. And I was only thinking about it today, and I thought, do you know what? I need to get back into the swing of things. I just haven't been myself in a long while. I mean, I took a trip down to New Haven about 3 weeks ago. It was probably when I got this, and it was just nice to get out and nice to get away. But it still didn't affix what I was feeling inside. And with a situation that's arose in another sector in my life, again, that upset us in the sense of the unknown. Where am I stepping? What's gonna, it's not not a very good place to be, really. Not suicidal or anything like that. I'm not talking about wanting to end my life, because that's not what it was about. It was just a case of somebody referring to something in life that they didn't care about. So why should they show any care about it to the person that unfortunately comes under that category, which is disabled people? And I thought myself, it's all wrong, but it's always like you're on a losing streak all the time. You have to keep positive. You have to keep focused. I mean, I'm not normally a down in the dumps bloke. There's only one of me, thank God. But yeah, it's autism is a funny thing. It does take quite a bit of working out, even when you're diagnosed with it. And I got diagnosed in 2018. It took probably 3 years before that diagnosis. Oh, here they come. So it's quite a thing to be diagnosed with, and then you're just left on your own devices to get on with it. So but I've kind of fought my battles with it and struggled a bit, struggled there, same as everyone else, I suppose. I think the best part about it was the not knowing. If I didn't know, then I wouldn't be worried so much. But now I know, it kind of worries me as to, did I do the right thing? Didn't I do the right thing in getting diagnosed? It's whether you tell people or you don't tell people. But I've already said that, at the end of the day, I tell people, because I don't want them to think that I'm an oddball. That always a bit strange, or something I don't like about it, like where the one thing is I don't have no no filter. So if somebody thinks you're an idiot, they'll think you're an idiot and won't say anything, but they'll be polite to you. But I turn around and say, no, you're an idiot, and don't think about it. And it's hard, because not everybody is can handle that. They don't like it. They don't. It's like, why? What'd you say that for? Oh God, there's the cat on the go again. But yeah. Yeah, so like I say, it's kind of not does that go in there? I'm trying to think now. There's two holes. Oh yeah, there we go. That goes there. That goes there. Right, and then that goes under there. Right, okay. Oh, I see. Right, that's where that goes there. Look, they go in those holes there. That goes there, that goes there. Right, that's that. So this at the moment is kind of just push fit, so that doesn't look too bad. This here, where's that going? Right, that goes under there. See, what it is if we get this on there like that, is that where it goes? Yeah. So it goes there like that. You put all this, because this is all sprayed black. So that goes, no, it doesn't. That goes there. Oh shit. The exhaust pipe is going to have to come off for a minute because this goes here. I'm sure it does. Does that go down like that? Yes, it does. So it goes in that hole there, like that, and then that hole there, like that, and then push those down. Nope. Right, yep, right there, right, like that. Right. That, and then the front one. Oh, there. Right, hang on. But does this? Yep. So that has to go on before everything else, like that. And then that goes on there. $92.92.92. That's all black. Right, so now we've got that bit. What I do now is I'll touch it up with this, touch it up. Dot some glue on there, because obviously that's what we need. So there's a bit on there, a bit on there. I can't see it hissing at him again. Bloody thing. Put a bit round there and a bit round there. Push that on there. Right, that's that side done. And that's that side gone down there. Shouldn't take much to see, like you can do it like this with all the dots. And again there, and again there, and there. Right, that's it there, and then poke. There we go. I never put him down here. Oh, there we go. Right. What's that there? Right, so that's that bit. Give it a good shake. Oh, that bit's come off, so obviously got to glue that bit on. So we'll put that like that and that. Oh, that's all right. Right, screw that back on. Put that back in there. So on these bits, so they're B, 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 oh, A. B. That B there, and that B there. Right, that's that, that's that, that's that, that's that, that's that. And then, oh right, and that's A. That's that big bit. Right, that's A, B, that bit there, and then put that bit back. We don't need that yet either. Right, so let's clean up these bits. Sit there. I hate these things. See, although that one, give it a little bit of a tidy up, and then this one here. Probably a little bit tidy up as well. Okay. Right. Okay, get that out of the way. So, right, so this goes over the top. Right, let's just do that bit because it's going to be seen as such, or it could be. Right, so it goes on there, like so. So there's one good thing, is this is all in black. Oh. Fucking jockstrap. Right, then this is a case of, I think it's just a great big steel plate, but I could be wrong. It could be carbon like that, something like that, I suppose. Right, and that goes where? From that hole there. Right, that's where that's going to go. And then that is going to go there. Right. Looks like it's in. Well, that bit I haven't glued. The only reason I haven't is because I think to take that off and spray that first, is that right? And then so that looks like that. Right, then we start going into different colours there. Right, so what I'll do is we'll do this chassis first. And then, son of a bitch, give it a coat of that paint and show you how that works. Oh, that's no good. I'll give this thing, give it a shot. Yeah, that'll do. Sounds like the big girl, the A380, going over the back garden. Right, should I do it like that or should I not do it? Right, so now D3 and 4. What's his D? Is that this? D, yeah. Yeah, fine. Right, okay. No. Go on, Fee. Tell him off. He's definitely doing something to wander up the wrong way. Right, I'll get a bit of this on there. Not today. Oh. I only just ate some with flipping flies. Can't get rid of them. Loads of bloody flies turn up. Right. Okay, that's on. Still debating whether to keep that on or whether to take that off. Just have a look. So we got as far as here. So I wouldn't do any of that little bit because it involves a lot of different colours. Yeah, we're starting to get onto the interior and stuff then. And yeah, right, so we'll just stick with this bit for today. So we're going to be in there. So I'm going to whack the black on and make sure everything's sorted. Because this is easy to spray. That bit would be, because it's under there, you wouldn't get to see it very well. Right, let's get rid of them. Take the car out. Well, actually, we could spray that as well. That could do with a coat of. The only thing is with this, you get a line going across there, so it's the liquid where it's gone across. You can see that. It's always good to do primer over that. Sometimes that can show through in the paintwork. So, first of all, turn the bloody racket on. Right, and then that spirit line I was talking about is in here. So there. See where it comes out. It's alright. I'm going to just dip a bit in there. Yeah, it's pretty clean. But I know this end piece isn't. Yeah, it's pretty filthy. It's clean now. Better than it ever was. So clean that up. So clean. So it should spray. Yeah, sprays better now. Right. Let's get the black. Give it a bit of a shake. Oh, jeez. So, what have I got in there? Right, so I put hairs and everything. Another one. Or is that a scratch? No, that's a scratch. Right, so load. Try to catch that. So there's about that much in there. And then just top it up with black, like that. Wipe it off. Cover the end. I think I've got black paint on my thumb now, but I won't know. Just let it mix up. So it's mixing up in there. I don't know if you can see it, but it's like little bubbles. Yeah, I've definitely got a black thumb. Right. Yes, I don't really want a black hand, so I'll put over a blue hand to start and a clean hand to finish. So, that was me. have to use the proper pincers. Where are they? They were here yesterday. We had them in this box. No doubt. So, whoever holds we jolly well go. There we go. So again. Right, that's that one. Now, what I'm going to do now is get a bit of boutique and then stick it on the top of that bottle there and do that shell. It's the only thing is this has a tendency to cause some black soot going everywhere. That's the only trouble with that stuff. Right. Just put this on here. On here. And that goes on there with the Nunu badge. Yep, there we go. Blinding. Right. And give it a quick blow off. There's any dust. Now bearing in mind this is only the base coat, this is a primer, so it's a primer for the silver that's going to go on it, but also this is a good look at whether there's any blemishes on the bodywork as well. I've got a feeling I might have to up me pressure because it's actually spraying quite slow. There's a mark on there, look, you can see them there. There's already a blemish. Right, and then because it's getting a bit thick, try and thin it up a bit more. So I'll get a bit of a thinner coat on it. Oh, there we go. That's that. Like I say, you can just give another quick splash of black over this. about right. Right. Anything else that we could paint? We could probably paint most of that black. The discs for sure. So we won't waste the paint by tipping it back in the pot. We'll just, as a matter of fact, there's not much left. So just one side. To the side. Wait! Bloody cats are as bad as the kids. Fighting. That's it, we run out. Right, that's it. So on that first session, we've made and painted the chassis and we've painted the shell. And that's on the Nunu Audi British touring car for Model Works, which are in New Haven. So thanks for watching. If you like it, give us a thumbs up. Apparently it helps grow the channel. Yeah, and there we go, there's that bit. So I can now sit on there. Oops, there we go. I've got it, yep, in there. Like that. Cool, she's got the right up with him, isn't she? The lady cat. There we go, like that. So yeah, thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you in part 2 when we do a bit more other than this. So until then, take care everyone, like and subscribe, support the channel, support your local model shop, this one being Model Works for me in New Haven, and we'll see you again soon. Tutty byes.